Parrot's MiniDrone Jumping Sumo, which sells for $160, $220, 140 pounds, is strictly for the ground, and although you might not consider it a drone or an unmanned ground vehicle, it is more than a simple radio-controlled vehicle you pilot with your smartphone or tablet. Similar to Huawei's MIF robot, you can use your iOS or Android, and eventually Windows 8.1, mobile device to steer the two-wheel jumping sumo through its environment. It can also be programmed to follow a road plan or complete pre-programmed tricks, and then there's the jumping. Though you can have the sumo balance on its wheels like a Segway when driving it around, it will spend most of its time resting on its rear leg. With a tap on your screen, that leg will retract, compressing its two springs and then releasing them, launching itself either forward or straight up 80 centimeters, 2.6 feet. You can also have the sumo flip itself over and use the leg to kick a ball or irritate friends and family by kicking their feet. Piloting the jumping sumo like Parrot's larger AR drone quadcopters and MiniDrone rolling spider, the jumping sumo is completely controlled with an app on your smartphone or tablet. The Free Flight 3.0 app is available for iOS, Android, and, in October, Windows 8.1 and Windows Phone 8.1 devices. I did all my testing with a Galaxy S4 and an iPhone 5s. The jumping sumo connects to your mobile device via Wi-Fi. Turn on the Sumo and it will appear as a network in your Wi-Fi settings. Select it and launch the Free Flight app. Once the app is open, it should automatically connect to the Sumo.